Today, we will talk about a fundamental figure in the world of quality and business management, Kaoru Ishikawa. Ishikawa was an engineering professor and consultant who left an indelible mark on how organizations approach quality and continuous improvement. Ishikawa graduated in chemical engineering from the University of Tokyo. He began his career in the industry, working for the Nissan liquid fuel company, but soon his interest shifted to quality management. During World War, Japan faced significant challenge in industrial production, and it was the contest Ishikawa began developing his ideas how to improve process and ensure product quality. After the war, Ishikawa joined the Union of Japanese Science and Engineers, where he collaborated with other great names in quality, such as Edward Deming and Joseph Juran. It was during this period that Ishikawa began to gain recognition for his practical and accessible approach to quality management. One of his greatest contributions was the development of the Ishikawa diagram, also known as the fishbone diagram or cause and effect diagram. This tool, which allows for the identification and analysis of the root causes of a problem, become a fundamental pillar in problem solving and continuous improvement in organizations.
But Ishikawa did not limit himself to technical tools. He was also a strong advocate for the participation of all the employees in the pursuit of quality, promoting quality circles, group of workers who come together to identify and solve problems in the work areas. This approach democratized quality management and fostered a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement in Japan's companies. In addition to his practical work, Ishikawa was a prolific writer and educator. He wrote several books, among which What is Total Quality Control? The Japan Way stand out, where he presented his ideas on how quality should be the responsibility of everyone in an organization, from management to frontline workers. Kaoru Ishikawa passed away on April 16 de 1989, but his legacy endures. His contribution not only transformed Japan's industry but also influenced companies worldwide, laying the foundation for what the new cause as total quality management. In summary, Kaoru Ishikawa was a visionary who understood that quality is not just a technical method but a philosophy that involves people, process, and constant improvement. His work continues to inspire those seeking excellence in the organization.
Welcome to the Brilliant Mind podcast. My name is Johan, and we explore the lives and ideas of great thinkers who have to shape the world. Today, we are focusing on a name that might not be widely recognized outside the manufacturing industry, but whose impact is felt worldwide: Taichi Ono. Ono was the mastermind behind the Toyota production systems, the foundation of what we now call lean manufacturing. His revolutionary ideas helped transform Toyota from a struggling company in a global leader. But what exactly did he do? How did he change the way companies work, not just in automobile production, but in industries like healthcare, software, and even startups? Stay with me as we cover the history of this brilliant engineer. Was born in 1920 in Manchuria, China, during the time of Japanese expansion. Ono's character as Toyota started in the 1913, a time when the company was still in the early stage. Unlike today, when Toyota is a dominant force in the automobile work. But then I was a small player trying to compete with American giants like Ford and General Motors. During World War II, Japan's economy suffered greatly, and after the war, Toyota was the verge of collapse. They had limited resources and needed a way survive in a difficult economic climate. This where Ono's genius started to shine. In the early in 1950, Ono visited United States and started how American companies operated. While many were impressed by Ford's massive product lines, Ono was something else that intrigued him: American supermarkets.
Hi, Taishi Ohino had quality control. Taishi Ohino Bush and Japanese industry engine how on the Viscon in the living in Toyota production system and TPS. The system is manufacturing possibility in the focus on eliminating wage and maxing efficiency. Ohio World had a profound impact on the development of quality control, and its ideas are used today and in many industries around the world. Key contribution: just time GET. Ohio developed in GFT system wash animate the producing goods only when they are never. This helped to reduce inventory costs and the improved quality. The 7 wash only identified 7 types of the wash that can occur in manufacturing process: overall production, warranty, transportation, processing, inventory, motion, and detected. It continued improvement. Ohio believed in the importance of continued improvement, which meant constant looking for ways to make things better. Relationship is with Kaoru Ishikawa. Kaoru Ishikawa was another Japanese quality control pioneer, while on the best counting of the line point is Ishikawa diagram. Ishikawa was a strong proponent of the Ohio War and the helping to popularize Ono ideas in Japan and around the world. Ishikawa focused on the tools and Ohio on the system. Ohio TPS producing frameworks on implement quality control, and is Ishikawa tools probably to why identify and also quality problems, but on the belief and the quality control was essential to business succeeding.